Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to set up the simple bowl embosser. This works with two temperatures. The initial temperature, the temperature of the sublimation cycle, and the sublimation time that we are going to give it. It already works with Faraday grades. We are going to teach you how to configure. We are going to turn on the machine. The initial temperature is for the first cup that we are going to put in so that it doesn't go below that temperature. We are going to configure it and I'm going to explain it to you. We are going to press the mode button, and that is the initial temperature that we are going to give to the machine to put the first cup. Therefore, when this temperature reaches this configuration that we are going to give, this machine is going to make a sound. It's going to make a sound that tells us that we can now put the bowl. We're going to leave it at 270 to be able to set it to the other temperature. We give it mode again, and this is the temperature that we are going to give for the work cycle. We can go up and we can go down. The machine is already ringing because it must have reached the previous time that we gave as the initial temperature. So we press mode again, and here we are going to configure the seconds that we want to leave them on for sublimation. So there are the two beeps ringing because I am moving the seconds, and it's already letting me know that it's ready to put the bowl. We press mode. Here, the initial temperature has already been met, which is why it is signaling that it is now okay to put the first bowl. So in this case, we are already at the initial temperature. We would put the cup in, close the machine, and press this button here. There it starts to flash, so we have to wait to reach the 330 that we gave for the work cycle temperature. When it reaches that temperature, the seconds will start to decrease. But basically that works with Faraday degrees, and suddenly it costs us a little with it. We Faradays can look for a converter for those of us who have worked with machines in degrees Celsius only. Maybe this machine includes the temperature recommended by the manufacturer. Here we can see that the initial temperature is 230, the work temperature is 330, and the seconds are 60 seconds. Here it has already reached its maximum temperature that we set for sublimation, and now it is counting down the seconds that we had given it. There, they will decrease when they reach 0, and we would be ready. We will record the entire circle so that we do not lose it later. This is the 11-ounce resistance, in which we can still make aluminum bottles, poplars, 11-ounce bowl, several more products. Here we are ready. And there it tells us that it is ready. So we would open the machine, take out our bowl, and give it here. Here we have to wait for it to go back down to the initial temperature because it's going to be hotter. But as we left it at a high temperature here, it still tells us that it is ready to put the next bowl. So we let it go down a lot so that it doesn't take long. After heating the bowl, since it's going to be cold, we're going to put it back in, we're going to close the machine, and we are going to start it here. This is going to lower the temperature because the bowl that we're going to put in is going to be cold. And then we wait, raise the temperature again, and when you reach the setting, the seconds will begin to decrease. And so we constantly work the same way. We take out the bowl, we press the button, we put the other bowl in it, we close the machine, and we start it, and so on we go, working constantly with the stamper. I hope that the configuration of this panel has been useful to you, as I personally had not worked on it before. But in case of anything, you can contact us or call us. Thank you for watching the video.
na inyong